So personally, I'm not a fan of gaming, but I like accuracy and precision. So today I will be unboxing and taking a look at this gaming mouse that I brought from Amazon. So hey guys, name's Lohit. You're watching my channel LG the Curious. Let's get started. Yeah, so this is the box that I received from Amazon. Seems a good packaging, so let's open this up. Okay, so this is the mouse. Packaging is good. Here are some of the specifications. Okay, let's open it. Oh, the packaging is really good, the way it opens. Okay, so here it says that interchangeable DPI mode, that is 1200, 1600 and 2500 DPI. So let's take a look at the mouse. Yeah, so here is the mouse. Mouse is pretty big compared to my previous mouse. Yeah, can compare as a gaming mouse. Build quality is pretty good, and considering a gaming mouse feels a bit lightweight. Okay, here maybe the branding in Chinese, and so here is the forward and the backward buttons. Here is the DPI button, the scroll and the left and right clicks. Okay, so I have plugged it into my PC and let's see how it works. Means it works well or not. Scroll is a bit weird. The point I am making this video, this will be most probably the cheapest gaming mouse that you will be getting on Amazon. And the buttons are good. For this price they are good, and the main focus will be the interchanging LED lights and the DPI button, but still you can use it for both the purposes of gaming and for video editing, general purpose and stuff. So if you are looking for a cheap gaming mouse, I would be recommending this. For now, this is the main reason why I bought this mouse, because I like LED lights in the mouse. Good, I just liked it. Okay, so the change of light signifies a specific DPI, like this violet one emphasizes the maximum, that is 2500 DPI. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and if you want to buy the product, the link is in the description below. The product name is Dark Edge RM-200 gaming mouse, and if case it encounters any kind of problem, I will tell it to you. The prices may fluctuate, so I apologize for that. So thanks, goodbye.